Hey friends, the S mode has been quite in question for a very long time, and I'll explain what the S mode is. Now, S mode means a mode in which you can only download apps through the Microsoft Store, and that is a very limited number of apps. I'll tell you why. And other than this, you will not have access to code editors and the registry editor tool. So, what are the advantages of S mode? First of all, the main advantage of S mode is that it makes your computer secure. In what sense does it make your computer secure? It makes your computer secure in the sense that since you cannot download third party applications from their own websites, it means that your system will be safe from malware. So, when you download a software from the Microsoft Store itself, you can also search for the Microsoft Store. Then the app that you download is an app that has been verified by Microsoft, and you can be very sure that this app is free from malware and viruses, like 99.999% sure. It may still creep in, but this is what happens. So let's say, for example, if I want to download Instagram from it and I click on install, it will install the app to my system quickly, and I can be sure that this app is safe. Even more, it usually installs quicker. We don't need that exe file and installer and all, the executable file. So this is the advantage, but the biggest disadvantage is that it limits the number of applications. One may say that almost all the popular applications are available on the Microsoft Store. Well, that's a lie. I'll show you why. Search for Chrome. There is no Chrome in this list. Okay, we have Firefox, but there's no Chrome. We also have the Brave browser, but there's no Chrome because Chrome is its biggest rival and it doesn't want us to use it. Search for LibreOffice, which is a very popular alternative to MS Office, and you won't find it. Now, this option that you see, LibreOffice, is not the original one. It just has 6 ratings. So it limits the number of applications, and let's see, you can only use Microsoft Edge as the main browser, as the main Chromium browser. You cannot use Chrome. So, if you want to use Chrome, then the S mode is not for you. However, it usually doesn't matter. I tried using both of them. I tried using the normal version of Windows. I tried using the S mode of Windows. Microsoft Edge is almost the same as Chrome these days because the Chromium base is the same, and they keep on updating it. And even more, Google's own search engine isn't as good now. People are shifting to Bing, so it wouldn't matter in that sense. However, people also have a misconception that it can be used for making your system more secure to children. No, that's a different thing because even if you download Microsoft Edge, even if your children are not able to download Chrome or other browsers, it still does not impact anything for the browsing. And if you want to manage that, then you'll have to access the family safety app separately. However, yes, for corporate users and enterprises, this will be very helpful. It will also make sure that employees on your systems are focused on their work or they have access to a limited number of applications. Now, here's my personal review that should you install the S mode or should you not install the S mode? I would not install the S mode. I would not use the S mode. Why? Because unlike earlier, you must have noticed that Windows doesn't get infected by viruses as easily. Earlier, we really needed a third-party antivirus software, but these days, here's what I do. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left-hand side. Click on Check for Updates on the right pane, and it will start backing up Windows. I mean, it will start installing security updates in Windows. And when security updates are installed on Windows, then all these viruses and malware are scanned by Windows security. So if I search for Windows security in the Windows search bar, and go to the virus and threat protection tab, I'll notice that either I have a third party security application installed or my system will be protected by Windows security itself. So viruses and malware are not as common these days unless someone is specifically downloading some unlisted application on their system and I mean some definitely suspicious application on their system. Then that's a different case. So that's the case. But yes, if you are using it for an organization, then Windows S mode is good enough. And again, the main disadvantage of S mode is that even if you want to, you cannot install a program which is not in the Microsoft Store, and you do not have access to the registry editor. Now, access to the registry editor opened you to a lot more avenues, but now you do not have access to that. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.